If you want to transfer data from your old phone into your new Poco C85, you can actually do that by opening this application, the Share Me. It should be available on your smartphone. If it is not here, you can download this for free from the Google Play Store. So when you have those apps on your phone, like that, you have to accept this user agreement, just like this. And now let's start from the Poco C85. We have to click next, and we have to just grant every permission and go back on our smartphone. Select while using the application, select allow, just for everything. And right now do the same on your old device. You have to just accept all of those permissions. And after that, we will be able to actually use our smartphone. So now, as you can see, you have to select your Poco C85 as receiver. So click here, and you have to click to turn on the Bluetooth. So let's do that. There we go. And now on this old phone, select send. Now, as you can see here, you can find all of your videos, photos, applications, sounds, other files, like some documents, for example. So you can basically select everything that you want to transfer. So in my case, let's say I want to transfer a few photos and maybe one video, like this. Now I have to accept this permission for the photos. Now I'm redirected somewhere for some reason. We shouldn't be redirected into some strange application, just stay with the Share Me. Let's close this Me video application. Let's go back here. There we go. Now click next on your Poco C85. Click allow for another permission. And now on our old phone, we have to select send. Now we have to also turn on the Bluetooth. Click allow. There we go. Click next again. And we just have to scan a QR code from our Poco C85. We just have to align those QR codes. As you can see now, we got this pop-up notification that we have to accept and click connect. Connection is successful. And as you can see, we successfully transfer files from this phone into this phone. So let's just go for this. Let's see if we can already find this in the gallery, for example. The gallery should be here. And it is. And yes, as you can see, the photos and videos are here. Take a look, we can find everything just over here.